Hey guys, it's Wags with Ironman 4x4 America, and what I have in my hairy paws today is our new premium underbody protection. A lot of people know this stuff is armor or skid plates. Okay, it's got a bunch of really cool features, so I'll run you through that. What makes this stuff stick out to me is it's 4 mil thick, or 3/16 for us ugly Americans that aren't math magicians. So it's big and it's not light, it's actually really robust, but it's not overly heavy either. And the way that you achieve strength without making it too big is gusseting. So everything was CNC cut, CNC broke, computer folded, computer welded. Stuff's really, really, really nice. It goes through a great corrosion dip process, and then they electrostatically powder coat it. So you're not gonna have this stuff, you know, rust out on you. Skid plates and underbody armor, it's supposed to be like a skateboard. Like, you're not supposed to jump up on something and stick to it. You wanna, you know, hit a rail and slide. And aluminum underbody protection is, I think, the worst, because if you hit a rock, it just sticks. And then if you give it power to get off, it just peels. Like it grabs onto you. It won't let go of your truck. This steel stuff, you hit rocks or stumps and you can pivot and actually slide off of it. So I like it. I think you'll like it too. If you want to check it out, it's on sale. We've got it for a bunch of different trucks on our website. So go to Ironman4x4America.com. You can check it there. You can also check us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, all that stuff. So, or you can come by Wilsonville and bother me.